Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all we have to do in order to close background apps is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So let's pretend that you've got 3 buttons navigation. So you've got the back button, the home button and the recents, and that's the button you have to tap. So probably it will have like square icon on it or 3 bars icon, but I'm pretty sure that it will be square icon. So just tap on it and then you will be able to enter the recents. If you've got the gestures, just like me, basically all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and do it kind of slowly and hold your finger somewhere here. And after doing that and after releasing the finger, you can see that here we've got all previously opened apps. So basically if you want to, you can close manually 1 or 2 of them, just find them and swipe them to the right or to the left. But if in your case there are a lot of previously opened apps, and you just don't want to waste your time by doing it manually, then just tap on this X icon right in the middle. And as you can see, we had the information that there's nothing to clear, but of course we can enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your Xiaomi 12T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.